guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and I'm doing an easy starter for you guys that's amazing to taste and super healthy and super quick. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, that's cream, fresh cream. Next I'm going to add is half a teaspoon of almond flour to make it a little crunchy. Third, I have roasted chickpeas flour. That's here. That's again 1 tablespoon. Next, half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, little black pepper powder, salt to taste. Now here I have a mix of cardamom and fennel seeds. I'm going to grind them and then put it in the same mixture. So here's the fennel and cardamom powder. And lastly, I'm going to put little stevia powder. I'm going to mix this well. So a nice and creamy paste is formed. Lastly, I'm going to add some coriander leaves to the same. Now I'm going to add my paneer and vegetables to this. So I have cut the paneer on the basis of the skewers. I have taken about an inch of block all of these. And now in the veggies I'm going to add, there we go. So we have some red bell pepper, some yellow, some green, some onions, and lastly some tomato. And lastly, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now I'm going to stir this really well and keep this aside for half an hour. If you want, you can also cover the marination with a film wrap and keep the marination for half an hour so that once it's ready, it's really juicy and yummy. Lastly, before we grill, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. And now, after adding the lemon juice, I'm going to stir it once again. And now put all of these into the seeds what I have. Let's go. So I'm choosing 1 green, 1 red, a slice of paneer, then a yellow, onion, and repeat the same. And we are done with 1 seek. Now the same way we're going to do it with all the seeks. And once the skewers are done and set nicely, we're going to just put them on the pan. And once they are slightly golden, we're going to toss and turn the sides. Our paneer malai tikka is ready. Like I said, it's super easy, extremely delicious. It's loaded with nutrients that it contains high amount of protein, it's good for bones, it has good amount of calcium. So that's all you need in a perfect meal. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek sport, pilates and amazing food recipes. Thank you so much. See you next time.